Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we want to talk about affiliate marketing programs that can help you earn in dollars. And the interesting thing is that you don't need to invest anything to make money from this platform. And I'm talking about no other platform than Hostinga. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing, you're interested in making money from affiliate marketing without investing a dime, this is a video you should watch to the end and don't skip anything. Another beautiful thing about this platform I want to tell you about is that you can earn in dollars from anywhere in the world. Okay, so that's what we are going to be talking about in today's video. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I welcome you to my channel. My name is AwajiimamIsioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So before we go into the video, kindly do me a favor by liking this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so that when I put out another video, you will always be notified that I have shared a video. Okay, so without wasting much time, just take a minute, take a moment, like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. I believe you have done that. Thank you so much. All right, let's go straight into the video. Let me show you how you can become an affiliate on this platform and then make some money in dollars for yourself. Okay, so for you to do this now, you are going to head over to hostinga.com/affiliate. okay, I'm going to drop the link in my description. I'm going to drop a link that you can use to make access, okay, to get access into the program. The platform actually helps you to buy hosting. Okay, you can buy domain name, you can buy hosting on this platform at affordable prices. So if you're thinking of building a website for a client, you're thinking of building a website for your business, you can use Hostinga. Okay, a very good and easy to use platform. All right, so you head over to this place using the link in my description. Make sure to use the link in my description just to support what I do. All right, so when you click on the link, it's going to bring you to this place. So what you are going to do now is to come here. You can click on access affiliate program, but before we click on that, let's just look at what the platform looks like. You can see here it's saying join the program in 4 easy steps. Number 1, instant sign up. Sign up in less than a minute, completely free, get verified, and gain access to your affiliate dashboard. And then the next thing is to track your performance, access your best affiliate control panels in the industry, easily track and optimize your campaigns. Then you use your affiliate banners. Okay, when you're doing your marketing, you use your affiliate banners, including your link. And once somebody makes a purchase using your link, you get your pay. Okay, you get your pay, $40, 40% commissions. That's what you get in dollars. All right, guys, this is a very good way for you to make money for yourself. So you can take some time and scroll through the page to see other things that are happening here. Are you seeing now? So this is what the page looks like. All right, this is what the page looks like. You can buy domain name here, you can do hosting here for your clients or for your own business. So for you to join the platform now, you either come here and click on get access. You click on access affiliate platform, or you come here and say join now. So what we are going to do here is to click on access affiliate platform. So just follow me now. I'll click on it once and we wait for it to load. All right, so you can see now. So what we are going to do now is telling us welcome back. You just click on sign up. All right, we click on sign up. All right, and then we fill in our company name. If you have a company name, you put in your company name. I'll just put mine here, and you can see it has filled up all my details, and I'll include my number. I'll include my number. I'll include my number. Just follow me, guys. And then cookie consent, you click on this and then you say next. You click on next. Okay, they ask me to drop a website. If you have a website, you include a website. If you don't have a website, you include your YouTube channel. All right, you include your YouTube channel. Now let me go and look for my YouTube channel and then we'll come and add it here. All right, follow me now. Let's go. So I'll come here and look for my YouTube channel. I'll look for my YouTube channel link. Okay, I'll look for my YouTube channel link. So follow me, guys. Let's just take a moment to look for the channel link. All right, this place now. Let's go through this place. Okay, good. Yeah, so we come here and then we click on share. Okay, copy the link and then we come here. We come here and then we click on this and insert. Oh, it's taking us back to, okay, good. We click on next and we insert it here. Are you seeing now? We paste it. Are you seeing now? Next. Are you seeing now? We are in the next stage. So we fill in our name, full name, and then title. You add your title and then the email here. You put your email address where you want them to reach you. Okay, and then let's add password. Let's add password. Okay, we come here now and add password. We add password. Okay, we add password and then we add everything. Okay, good. We confirm the password. Remember that place where we had to insert our website? If you don't have your website, just go and look for anywhere where you have either your social media account or your YouTube account. All right, very, very important. But it's expected that you should have a website. Okay, so once we're done with this part, we click on next. Once you click on next, it's telling us the password does not meet the requirements. Okay, at least one uppercase, telling us to include one uppercase. So I'm going to include one uppercase and then we go to the same, remove it here. Guys, we're trying to fix the password. Okay, good. We have our password ready and then we click on next. Once you click on next, it will bring us here. Are you seeing now? We are in the third stage. What is your main channel to promote the Hostinga brand? We are using YouTube because we want to use YouTube as our marketing strategy to create videos to promote Hostinga. Are you getting now? Please provide the URL where you are planning to promote Hostinga brand. Remember that the URL we used, which was the place where we inserted our website, remember that we used our YouTube account. So we are still going to go back to that YouTube account to copy the URL, that is the link to your YouTube channel. All right, don't make mistake here. So just follow me. We come back here. We come back here. We come back here and then we come back here, copy the link, and then we go back to this place and paste the link. We paste the link here. Okay, which products are you going to promote? Now they're asking us which product are we going to promote. We can click on this, which is the hosting product. All right, how many visitors, views does your website channel receive on average of every month. You can decide to say, let's say 100. Let's just put a number there. You understand? I understand that Hostinger does not allow pay-per-click impression and all of that. You click methods of commission, you click on I understand. Click on I understand. All right, let's change this 100 to 500. Okay, and then this place, I understand that the minimum payment threshold via PayPal is $100 and 3 approved conversions each time. You click on I understand. Are you getting it now? So we come here now, read the affiliate agreement, blah 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 blah. You come here now and say yes. What makes you a great fit to become partner of Hostinger? This is where you are going to now use your skill, your technical knowledge of content creation to create content here. So what are we going to say here? We come here, we say, I believe. Now, if you cannot create this place by yourself, you can just go to ChatGPT and use ChatGPT to create your content. If you want to learn how to create content with ChatGPT, just go to the link in the description. I will drop a link to my videos that talks about how to create content with ChatGPT. Okay, so what you are going to do, if you want to use ChatGPT, you can copy this question that says, what makes you a great fit to become a partner of Hostinger? Copy it, go to ChatGPT, paste it there. Once you paste it there, it's going to give you the answer. Then you can rephrase the answer to fit what you want to put here and come back here and paste it here. All right, but for me, I don't have that time. So you come here and say, I believe that Hostinger, are you seeing now? Hostinger is a great platform where businesses can host their websites. Are you seeing now? Follow me. Can host their websites, and I believe that people should know about Hostinger. Are you seeing now? Just using my head to do this right now. Okay, that's why I want to promote this product. Are you seeing now? So this is just a short sample of what you can post. All right, just for the sake of this video, so we don't make it too long. All right, so after this, we just click on next. Once we click on next, we are in the third stage of the sign up. So what we do now, we click on the checkbox. I have read, see now, let me increase this. You can see this place. It says, I have read and agreed to the privacy policy. I agree to the terms and conditions and all of that. You click on them. You click on the checkbox. You click on all the checkbox, and then you click on this, I am not a robot. Click on it to activate it. And once you do that, what you can do now is to click on sign up. Okay, we click on sign up, and then it's saying update address. You can see it's already taking us back. So let's save this password. See now, see what it's saying now. It said what? Your application is currently being reviewed. An account manager will contact you shortly. Can you see? Hostinger International. Now it's asking us to log in. So they will send, if you do this successfully, they will send a message to your email. All right. So you go to your email and check everything for the further information they are going to give you. So this is how to sign up for Hostinger affiliate platform. All right. Once you sign up, what do you do next? The next thing to do is to pick a product that will be given to you. You will check through their platform, you pick one of their products and start promoting. Promote it on your social media, promote it on your YouTube, promote it anywhere you can promote it. So once people purchase the product using your link, you get a commission in dollars, guys, without investing anything. So this is all that we need to do in this video. If you got value from this video, kindly tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you are going to be notified. All right. If you want to learn how to build a website, okay, or you want to build a website for your business, kindly drop a comment for me in the comment section, or go to the link in the description. I'm going to drop further information as to more resources that you will need. Okay, thank you for sticking around. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.